Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the ARC rider scenario no longer available error.
Fix 1. Restart the game. Step 1. Close Arc Raiders completely. Step 2. Reopen the game and try again. Fix 2. Check game server status. Step 1. Visit Arc Raiders official X, Twitter, or Discord. Step 2. Confirm servers are online and no maintenance is running. Fix 3. Queue or start a new scenario. Step 1. Cancel the current matchmaking. Step 2. Select a new scenario and queue again. Fix 4. Verify game files. Step 1. Open Steam Epic Games Launcher. Step 2. Go to Library Arc Raiders. Verify repair files. Fix 5. Check your internet connection. Step 1. Restart your router. Step 2. Use a stable wired or strong Wi-Fi connection. Fix 6. Update the game. Step 1. Check for pending Arc Raiders updates. Step 2. Install the update and relaunch the game.